Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Antonio the Realtor. In today's video, I'm going to take you on a property tour on a house on the south side of Chicago. We're looking at 7140 West 64th Street, $449,000, 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's get the property tour started. Hey guys, welcome to this new episode. This one's nice. It's a nice house. 449,000, $4,000 in property taxes. 4 bedrooms. 3 of them are up here. One of them is below grade, meaning that it's in the basement, and then there are 2 bathrooms. Now, what you'll see right away is we have this accent wall. I call it an accent wall because it's the fanciest wall in the room. We have a fireplace there, and then of course up here, a nice frame so that you can put your TV. The nice part about this is we know where the stud is. Probably your stud's right here because this is where the outlet is. Of course, you want to have a professional do it. This is me kind of just from knowing, right? Experience. Stud's probably there. You're going to put your TV up here. You have electricity. Fantastic. So let's walk in here a little bit. Okay. We have an outlet over here that has a USB connection, and then we have outlet, and then that of course is all windows. So couches go in here. We have a vent there for your HVAC. There's a vent over there in the corner, and this is nice. They have nice little accent lights that I think are really cute. Check that out. Let's see if I can turn them on. Let's see here. I gotta find the switcher. They might be up here. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. The bulbs. I don't know if the bulbs are working or not, but those are nice accent lights. I know the camera girl's putting on these, but check these out. Very, very bright. There's a lot of lighting in here. A lot of lighting in here. And then of course here is your digital thermostat. Everything's nice and kosher in here. So come on. Let's go take a look at the first bedroom. Now we're going to come into the first bedroom, and we have a fan, which is great. Nice size bedroom. You're looking at putting in a twin size bed or a full size bed. Anything more than that, and you're going to start to have to hunt for space for like a dresser and whatnot. But this place is good. Windows look like they're newer, or they could be new. I just can't guarantee it. Very nice closet. I do like the sliding doors. Very different from just your regular accordion doors. These are pretty cool, and it's a decent sized closet. Okay, so now let's come over here to bedroom number 2. Here is the second bedroom, and the second bedroom does have a closet, which is cool. All right, but again, we have another fan in here. Twin size bed. If you put in a full, you would be fighting for space a little bit, but nevertheless, it would work out. You have this awesome remote so that you can control the LED lighting, you control the fan speed, and the other room had the same thing. But go ahead and take a look at that closet. Those what is it? These cubes right here, these little mini windows, or whatever you want to call them, they are to the outside. So on the other side, when you look at the front of the house of profile, you can see those, okay? And I know somebody is going to roast me for not saying the official name of those windows, those glass block windows, but put it in the comments if you caught it and tell me what you call them. That's really cool to see. This is a bathroom. Okay, here's the bathroom right off of the 2 bedrooms, living room, then you have the kitchen. Here's the bathroom. Okay, they have a nice size mirror in here. I do like the sink. Very nice vanity. Works out. Okay. And then let's take a look at the tub. I'm seeing in a lot of properties this shower setup. We have that rain shower, and then we have what I call the cell phone shower, or the rotary phone shower. But this is a nice addition because that's cool, but it doesn't get everything. These things just give you more control, which is nice. And of course, it's a tub. Okay, really nice tub. Now we are going to go over here to, I want to point this out so you guys can see this. Is there a pantry, Tony? Yes, there is. There is a pantry. Check that out. Okay, or someone's going to hit me, that's not a pantry, that's a linen closet, It's a linen closet. I call it a pantry because you put stuff away in it, the shelves in it. Don't roast me, you guys. Now, we are in the kitchen. Now, this is probably, for me, the nicest part of the first floor. I do really enjoy this kitchen. I'm going to put this phone down right here. And a couple of things. We have, of course, your dishwasher. A lot of these houses that are rehabbed, thank God, 99% of them that I've seen have included the dishwasher. Again, the big tip here is to make sure that if you have a dishwasher, have the inspector check to see that it doesn't leak, which is great. Very nice fridge, humongous, not fridge, stove. Again, this is another stove, really, really nice. This is like a top of the line model. Whoever, if you are a cook and you really good at cooking, this is it right here. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm assuming the burners are underneath there as well. Yeah, look at that. That's fantastic. So food better come out extra good if you're in here. We have a microwave. And again, a tip for microwaves. If your microwave is above the stove, chances are it vents out whatever is getting cooked here. So like if you're cooking something that's very pungent, hopefully this is routed to go up and out so that all of that is out and the whole house doesn't smell like that pungent, whatever it is that you're cooking. So tip. Now here is your sink. Really nice size sink. I do like the faucet that they've chosen. I haven't seen that faucet in a house before. I've seen it at Menards or Home Depot, but that's cool. And having these little extras like the cutting board, and you can see how deep that is. It's nice because if you buy a house that's rehabbed, believe it or not, some of these rehabbers get the sink wrong. Okay, in this case, I think they got this one right. It's very nice. It's different. There's functionality to it, and I'm sure plenty of you guys that are watching out there would have an idea of like what you would do if you were in here. There's a lot of cabinets in here as well. New cabinetry. Okay, nice long cabinetry. I believe these are 48 inch cabinets. Very nice. Okay, we do also still have can lighting. Of course, every rehab puts a special little light fixture up there. That one's pretty cool. I do like. And now, before we go in there, let's point this out here. This is an eat-in kitchen. Okay, eat-in kitchen. You have space here to put a table so that you can eat. You have a nice chandelier style light, LED light fixture, and this is a lot of space. There is a basement, which we will take you to next. There's no second floor because of the style. I believe this is a raised ranch. And my camera woman is nodding. That is a raised ranch. She knows her houses, everybody. And we'll go into now bedroom number 3. Here is bedroom number 3. Another fan, another remote on the wall to control the speed and the LED light. And then in here, we do have a nice sized closet so that whoever's in here has a place to put their things. Really nice. I like it. I feel like this is the larger bedroom of the 3 that are up here. You can put whatever size bed in here and you would be fine. I'm okay with it. So let's go take a look now at the basement. So if there was a basement award that I could give, I would give it to this basement. Just wait till you guys see it. Here we go. I'm gonna have you come this way. I'm gonna give you the layout. Bada bing, bada boom. Here is the basement. So let's talk about a couple of things. Obviously, the height on this is really good. We have can lighting, fantastic. But why does it get the basement award? I want you to imagine what you would actually do if you lived down here in this basement. If you would have a party, a get together, even for yourself, living space, how would you divide it up and what kind of functionality would you want out of it? Well, first thing, we'll come over here. We have another accent wall, so what I like to call it. I think obviously you're putting a television here so that you can entertain. You put a TV there, you're good. And then, you have your sofa and couch space. That's fantastic. That's fine. Then I would say in that area, almost like a dining room, I would put a table over there so that if you are down here eating with the family or doing something, you can do that. Specifically because over here, we have a nice little kitchen area. So think about, you have company over, you're having a party, a birthday party maybe. You have this stove. Check this out. Tell me in the comments what kind of stove this is. Okay, you see that? You put your pot up there, you push a button, and your fingers don't burn. Tell me what kind of stove that is in the comments, you guys. I want to see who's the person that's going to be the first to comment. You have a sink, a nice sink, okay? Wet bar, should we call it, right? And then they have a refrigerator down here, painting the picture that this down here is a nice functional kitchen. Again, whenever you're cooking right here, you want to make sure that this guy actually vents the smell out. We would have to ask the inspector and the homeowner if whether or not that was really vented. Sometimes, believe it or not, people put that in and they put it in thinking it's the right thing to do, but they never actually create the connection to take the smell out. And then, you buy the house and you're like, hey, why does this still smell down here? Because all that is just a piece without the actual ventilation system. That's wild that it happens. But let's check out this bathroom in the basement. Okay, regular standard shower, really nice. That is a humongous, a humongous overhead shower, larger than some of the others I've seen, like on the first floor. Let's see, let's go underneath there. Look at that. Oh, you're getting wet here. Oh yeah, that's a thing. That is definitely a thing. And look, my shower phone I'm always talking about. I'm at home. Look at that. Taking a shower. You would definitely get cleaned in here. Okay. This is nice. The accents here, the cornering that they put in here, black cornering, really nice. And it matches with the black cornering that they have in here. And I point these little things out because you would believe it or not, some houses just, they don't do this. This is like going the extra mile. Sometimes they'll just say, put a gray one and be done with it. But when people care, they spend a little bit more money so that it actually looks good. Okay. So now we're going to come this way. We're going to the fourth bedroom. This is the below ground bedroom that I was telling you guys about. And really nice flooring in the entire basement. Nice height in here. You have this window there. That's a newer window. And I believe that is a closet. Let's take a look. There you go. It is okay. Your gas meter's there, but still, you're going to throw something in here just so that you can utilize the space. And then we're going to come back over here. And I guess I almost missed something. You guys follow me. Man, you guys would have been upset had you not seen this. Check this out. We have a laundry room down here. Okay. Beautiful laundry room, beautiful washer and dryer. You have a space here that you can fold stuff, fold your clothes and whatnot. This is amazing. When you buy a house at this price point, it's always great whenever you see that they're throwing in the appliances, which you got to make sure get written in the contract. And they're doing stuff like this. This is extra mile stuff. Usually people will just put it in a little table or maybe nothing at all. But this is extra mile stuff. And the other thing too, I'll point out is that during the entire time we've been in the basement, you guys haven't seen the mechanicals. You don't know where the boiler is. You don't know where the furnace is. That's because they are set in here. And with the way that the basement is laid out, you don't actually have to see them when you're down here in the basement because they did a really good job, like deciding what you should see and what you shouldn't see. The nice thing also about that is it's wide enough to where if you ever had to change out any of those mechanicals, like if for some reason you needed a new boiler or you needed a maintenance to get done on anything that's AC or furnace, it's really easy access. So guys, if you want to see more videos, just go ahead and click on this video that you see right here. If you want to see some more Southside properties, you can click over here, or you can click in the middle to subscribe. But I'm Antonio the Realtor. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys.